Miele coffee machine error code F17 is an issue that occurs when the machine detects a problem with the brew group. This tutorial will guide you through the process of identifying and resolving the error. First, it is essential to understand what the brew group is and its function in the coffee machine. The brew group is the component responsible for mixing coffee grounds with water to produce the perfect cup of coffee. When the machine detects a problem with the brew group, it will display the F17 error code. To resolve the error, start by turning off the machine and unplugging it from the power source. Next, locate the brew group and remove it from the machine. Inspect the brew group for any blockages or debris that may be causing the issue. Clean the brew group thoroughly with a soft brush and warm water. Once the brew group is clean, reinsert it into the machine and plug it back in. Turn on the machine and check if the error code is still displayed. If the error persists, it may be necessary to descale the machine. Limescale buildup can cause problems with the brew group, so it is crucial to descale the machine regularly. To descale the machine, use a descaling solution specifically designed for coffee machines. Follow the instructions provided with the solution to ensure the process is done correctly. After descaling, run a few cycles of hot water through the machine to remove any remaining solution. If the error code still appears after cleaning and descaling the machine, it may be a more serious issue. In this case, it is recommended to contact a Miele authorized service provider for further assistance. They will be able to diagnose the problem and provide the necessary repairs. In conclusion, resolving the Miele coffee machine error code F17 requires a step-by-step approach. By following the guidelines outlined in this tutorial, you should be able to identify and resolve the issue. Remember to always clean and descale your machine regularly to prevent future problems.